Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by entering jiggle mode. Press and hold an app icon on the home screen until the icons wiggle. This is the first actionable step because it unlocks movement, deletion, and folder creation. Once the icons jiggle, drag an app to a new position or to the edge to move it to another page. Make sure to use one finger for precise placement, or tap an app, then select Edit Home Screen from the Quick Actions menu if the hold was brief. Once apps jiggle, organize by grouping related apps into folders. Drag one app onto another, then rename the folder to something clear. You can place up to several pages in the home screen, drag apps to the screen edge to move between pages, and use the dock for your most used apps so they persist across pages. If you want broader cleanup, open App Library and drag less used apps out, or remove them to reduce clutter. This keeps your primary pages focused and faster to scan. Add widgets by tapping the plus in the top left while in edit mode. Pick a size and drag the widget to an open area, making sure it doesn't overlap essential icons. Once you've placed apps, widgets, and arranged pages, tap Done or press the Home button to exit jiggle mode and save changes. If something behaves oddly, restart your iPad to clear temporary glitches. And if icons are still misplaced, use Settings General Reset, Reset Home Screen Layout, as a last resort trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.